Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Rocket League not connected to Epic Games. Easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do just right click here and click Task Manager. Now once you're here, click Details. Now scroll down until you find Epic Games. Here's it. Now just right click on it and then end task and end process. Now just open Epic Games again and make sure Rocket League is closed, and if you find it here just end it. Now just wait, and that's it. Now just try to launch it again, and I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.